The 2026 new TATA Classic 110 marks a bold entry into the commuter motorcycle segment, combining trusted engineering with modern styling and everyday practicality. Designed for riders who want reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency, this motorcycle is built to handle daily city rides as well as longer journeys with ease. At first glance, the TATA Classic 110 stands out with its retro-inspired yet modern design. The round LED headlamp, chrome-accented mirrors, and sculpted fuel tank give it a premium classic look, while sharp body lines and stylish graphics keep it contemporary. The comfortable single-piece seat and upright riding posture make it ideal for riders of all ages. Powering the 2026 TATA Classic 110 is a 110 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. This engine delivers refined acceleration, making it perfect for daily commuting in traffic. The improved fuel injection system ensures better throttle response and lower emissions, meeting the latest environmental standards. One of the biggest highlights of the TATA Classic 110 is its impressive mileage, expected to be around 60 to 65 kilometers per litre, making it a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious riders. The fuel tank capacity is well balanced for long rides, reducing the need for frequent refueling. In terms of ride quality, the motorcycle features telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, offering a comfortable and stable ride even on rough roads. The lightweight chassis improves handling, while the low seat height adds confidence for new riders. For safety, the bike comes equipped with front disc brake and rear drum brake, along with a combined braking system for better control. The instrument cluster is simple yet informative, displaying speed, fuel level, trip meter, and essential indicators clearly. Additional features like electric start, side-stand engine cutoff, and LED lighting enhance convenience and safety. In conclusion, the 2026 new TATA Classic 110 is a well-rounded commuter motorcycle that blends classic style, modern features, and dependable performance. It is an excellent choice for students, office commuters, and anyone looking for an affordable, stylish, and fuel-efficient motorcycle for everyday use.